Hi everyone, I am Amrit Modi, a grade 12 student studying in Suvaya Central School, Tirupur. I know about Scalar School of Technology from the last 2 years and it always excites me about its tech and new age curriculum. When I first got to know about Scalar's YIIC program, I know that I somehow had to get into it because I knew it that if Scalar is conducting it, it has to be very unique, and so was it. We had 5 weeks of internship. We would have 1 to 2 hour session conducted by a very different and unique personality who would teach us about design thinking, personal branding, making our own website, using AI avatar, or else designing a Dino Runner game. So the first week we had a session with Suryan sir, who himself is a part of Scalar School of Technology. So the first session was based on personal branding, and in this session, sir said us some important keywords like what is personal branding, how it is very important, how to use the unfair advantage, the benefits of content creation, and why having your own brand in 2026 is very important. And even he explained the story of how he got in touch with Tarun Speaks. Sir even said us the importance of consistency. So based on that, sir gave an assignment to make our own LinkedIn profile, and he even explained us the importance of LinkedIn profile. Sir said us to make a LinkedIn profile and post consistently for 7 days. So I did that. I've attached the link of my LinkedIn profile in the description. On the second week of the program, we had a session on building our own AI websites by Zahur sir. In this session, at the start, we were taught the basics of AI prompting, the basics of website development, so that we can use the skills later for building a website using emergent AI. The task of this session was to build our own AI website using emergent AI. So with the help of the skills and the prompt, I designed my own AI website, and that was AI college selector, in which we can just enter your marks, your rank, your preferred city, or else your preferred course or some other details, and you can find the colleges that are most relevant for you. So in the third sessions, we learned about design thinking by Ira Akbar ma'am. Ma'am said us about the basics of design fundamentals, where designs are used, and what was the history of design, like how designers used to design on PowerPoint before the invention of Photoshop or else Canva. The main project of this session was to make a delivery prototype app for the delivery partners so that it can be useful for them. So designing this prototype app for Blinkit, I used Creo.ai. The main function was to make it very simple to understand, UI and UX design, a very smooth and clear experience, and the main priority for me was their safety. So I dedicated a special help and support button. If they press that, it will just go into emergency numbers, like they can dial any emergency number if they want. So it is very useful in case of emergencies. The session in the fourth week was really interesting. It was conducted by Swaroop sir. In this, we were taught how to build our own AI avatar using AI. First, before building the AI avatar, sir said us the steps in making a perfect AI avatar video. That is, finding the ideas with Perplexity, writing the script with ChatGPT, making the AI voice using 11 Labs, making the AI avatar using Hagen AI. The main task of this session was to make our own AI avatar, and even I have made my own AI avatar. So, the AI avatar which I have made is over 1 minute. I have attached the Google Drive link in the description. So, this was the bonus session conducted by Subham sir on designing the classic Dino Runner game that we all have been playing since our childhood. For designing this game, we used the game engine called Unity. Sir explained us the complexity of building even a basic and the most primary game like Dino Runner. The main key point and takeaway from this whole session was that what makes a developer great and outstanding than other normal game developers. So the answer for that is that a great developer always finds problems and even solves that even when it doesn't look like a big problem. From that session, I would say that I have really changed my viewpoint, how I look at games and how I play on games. So now with all that being said, I would like to thank the entire Scalar team from the bottom of my heart for bringing this program to us. And especially, I would like to thank Disa ma'am for being like a guiding lamp with us for the entire 5 weeks of the program. She was very kind and helpful, and she used to reply to all my DMs and helping me throughout the program, let it be during or after the program. Being frank, I used to wait at the Saturday or Sunday evening for these sessions because this 1 to 2 hour session used to be very fun and engaging for me. And now as this program comes to an end, I would really miss those Saturday evenings where I used to learn something fun even with taking a bit of rest. Also, it was very fun learning from Suryan sir, Ira ma'am, Zahur sir, Swaroop sir and Subham sir, and I will forever be thankful to all 5 of them and especially Disa ma'am for letting me learn all those things that I'll use in my life later on. Thank you everyone and have a great day ahead. Bye.